Ripple XRP will hit $25,000 tonight, says BitBoy. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Famous YouTuber Ben Armstrong, known as BitBoy Crypto, expressed his opinion about what fuels the price of XRP. Armstrong tweeted yesterday that XRP is growing for several reasons. However, he believes that the main reason for the growth of XRP over the past week was that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, abandoned its attempts to prove that the token is a security. Armstrong added that Ripple enthusiasts are now confident that the worst-case scenario that Ripple could face if it loses the lawsuit is a fine, instead of a complete ban on working in the United States. XRP is growing for several reasons. But if I had to single out one, the SEC actually gave up this week trying to prove that XRP is a security. People in the Ripple community can be pretty sure that now the worst-case scenario is a fine, he said. Deaton's lawyer's reaction. The YouTuber's tweet provoked a reaction from various members of the Ripple community, including lawyer John Deaton, who represents the owners of XRP in court. Deaton said the SEC stopped relying on one of its experts who wanted to prove that XRP investors expected to make a profit when acquiring XRP as from a joint venture, which referred it to an investment contract. He added that the SEC has retracted this claim. Meanwhile, this was the only evidence to consider the sale of XRP on secondary markets as a sale of securities. As I said earlier, the SEC chose to not rely on experts. They had expert one who was trying to say what #XRP holders relied on when acquiring #XRP. They gave up using that expert because we acted. That was the only Hail Mary it had at proving secondary market #XRP is a security. It is noteworthy that XRP began to grow after Ripple and the SEC filed their petitions for a summary judgment, which suggests that the end of the trial is closer than expected. Deaton also believes that the Commission may not prove that XRP is a security. He believes that the SEC has recognized that the owners of XRP have no legal or financial claims against Ripple, and Ripple owes nothing to the owners of XRP. Thus, Ripple cannot be a joint venture. The answer: the #XRP ledger itself. The SEC admitted that #XRP holders have no legal or financial claims in Ripple the company, and Ripple owes XRP holders nothing. So Ripple can't be the common enterprise like the complaint claims. The SEC's expert said it was the XRP ecosystem. Ripple objects to the Securities and Exchange Commission's plan to request additional pages and time to respond to additional amici curiae briefs in the ongoing lawsuit. Ripple objects to the SEC's suggestion that the SEC will request additional time or pages if other amici curiae submit summaries. This is another obvious attempt to further delay the consideration of this case, and the court should reject it. The SEC noted that it does not take a position on the Chamber of Digital Commerce's request to file an amicus curiae brief in the lawsuit. However, if attorney John Deaton submits his own amici curiae briefs, the SEC said it would take more time and pages to respond to the amicus briefs. Although Ripple does not object to the Chamber of Digital Commerce's request to file an amicus brief, the blockchain company is categorically opposed to the SEC's suggestion that it will take more time and pages to object to additional summaries. Unexpectedly for everyone, Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission publicly filed petitions for summary trial over the weekend, although they were expected only today, September 19, 2022. Breaking. Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson file motion for summary judgment seeking judgment as a matter of. Breaking. SEC files motion for summary judgment. The parties filed the petition separately in the Southern District of New York. The SEC built its argument on the premise that buying XRP in a joint venture makes the cryptocurrency an investment contract, that is, a security that should be regulated by U.S. securities laws. In addition, The SEC claimed that Ripple lured many investors to buy XRP, making them believe that they would make huge profits in the future, thereby implying that the cryptocurrency is a security. On the contrary, the defendants, Ripple, Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse, said that regulators could not prove that investors bought XRP, relying on the company to help them make a profit, since there was no agreement. According to Ripple's lawyers, token holders usually profit from the asset due to the forces of supply and demand. Based on this, XRP holders have no right to claim profits from Ripple. In addition, they cannot accuse the company of any violation if it does not profit from XRP, Ripple added. Ripple executives and observers of the case have already expressed their opinion on the petitions filed. According to Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, it is obvious that the SEC is not interested in applying the law in this case, adding, they want to redo everything in an unacceptable attempt to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the powers granted to them by Congress. Today's filings make it clear the SEC isn't interested in applying the law. They want to remake it all in an impermissible effort to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the authority granted to them by Congress. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty also commented on the developments, saying that the SEC has not yet identified any investment contracts after 2 years of litigation. The SEC cannot satisfy a single point of the Supreme Court's Howey test. Everything else is just noise, Alderoty added. The day is finally here. Our motion for summary judgment is public. You can view it here. Similarly, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan Hogan, said that the Securities and Exchange Commission is now in big trouble after a recently filed motion for summary judgment. I just read the summaries, and the SEC has a couple of big problems. 1. Her expert agrees that most of the changes in the price of XRP are due to market forces, not Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission has failed to record that any of the XRP buyers have heard Ripple's alleged marketing pitch, a big problem because it has the burden of proving everything here. Video tomorrow. I just read the briefs and the SEC has got a couple big problems. 1. Its expert agrees that most of the changes in XRP price are due to market forces and not Ripple. Ouch. These types of concessions are perfect for summary judgment. Next court dates. Ripple has almost a month to file an objection to this set of petitions, and it is expected that the summaries of objections will arrive by October 18. It is expected that the answers to them will be received by November 15, by which time all the briefings will be completed, and the judge will wait for the final decision of Torres. James K. Phelan predicts that on March 31, 2023 or earlier, Judge Torres will simultaneously make a decision on the petitions of experts and the decision in summary proceedings. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.